This will be my Route 114 car wash video. I hope you enjoy. Alright, we get to launch. No, we can't launch. There's too many traffic as usual. Can't have fun. Can't have fun. People can't have fun. I'm holding the camera. Yes, I am. What the hell, dude? This traffic goes all the way up to Walmart. It's ridiculous. Every day. Too many people in this area. And you think it's bad in Florida? You're not missing nothing up here. Nope. Yeah, I like it. I like this truck, man. I just wish I had a clear, straight road. Show you what it can do. Fucking joke, man. Sorry. I swore. Beat that out. Oh, come on. This is horrible. What is there, an accident up here? Uh-huh. Well, welcome to Danvers. Yep. Hello, Danvers. Hello, Rich. Oh, my God. You gotta be kidding me. Oops. Whoa, take it easy, Rick. Take it easy, Rick Dog. All right, we're gonna go in the car wash. I hope you enjoy. But if we ever get there, I gotta get there first, man. Oh my God. Don't do this to me. I just get out of work early. Yeah, I go in at 5 again tomorrow, so I can get out early again tomorrow. Thank God. Lately, it's been a sweatshop at work. Horrible. As we don't have AC in the weld shop, so it makes it tough. I'm used to it, though. 40 years of it. How can it not be? All right. Hey, Herb Chambers right over there. Yep. They're the ones that service this vehicle for me. Yep. Oh, come on now. Don't get me stuck in the middle of the intersection. I look like an idiot. Man, really? Come on now, folks. I don't know why my music don't play when I record until I hit the button. Oh, wait a minute. Is it gonna? No? Come on now. Yeah, there we go. I gotta have music. If I didn't have music in my life, I think I'd commit suicide. Really? Hey! I'm alright! I'm alright! Oh. Al Jorgensen. Ministry. Man, it's getting hot there. I shut the AC off. The truck launches better with it off. I don't think I'm going to get a chance to launch it, though. Not on this road. I usually can. Come on, people, wake up. The light's green. Okay, green means go. Yeah, you can go. Oh, you stupid ass. See what I deal with every fucking day. Sorry. Beat that out. I got your number. I need AC, so I can't launch it anyway. Might as well put the air conditioning on. Wow! Open road! I see open road up there. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Oh man. I wonder why I get a headache every day. Right now it's 96, it says outside. 96. In Massachusetts. Hello, I want to go to the car wash. Let's go. Alright, got it. Here we go. 14. Well, that was a little launch. I think this guy wants to play. This guy on my left. He might want to play. Yep, he wants to play. I just blew another light. Uh-oh, I'm intriguing it too. Are you not slick? Uh-oh, here we are. My favorite car wash. Yep. I hope they don't mind me filming. Nah, they won't. Hello, it's me. Been a while. Turn the music down. Hey, they know me here. I'm cool with them. I think. Yeah, they like my truck. Oh, give it a little gas, man. Take it easy. All right, we're here. Here we go. This is my car wash video. Through traffic. Oh. Hello, it's me. What's up, man? Oh, gotta go. Oh boy. Oh, that's a free one. I don't want a free one. I want the max. I want to pay for this one to get the good wax, man. I want the good wax job on this truck. No, they don't. They do good here, man. They really do. Oh boy, $30 though. Wait a minute. Yeah, almost $30 for a good car wash. Sickening. Sickening, man. Sickening. It better be worth it. Hey! Right? Right. A little more right. Yep. All right, how you doing, man? I haven't been here in a week. Hey, of course it's running. Just don't let your wife drive it. See the fender? She did that. I think it's got 110. 110. Oh, it's still got a lot of pep. Yeah. Little more. All right. I'll try not to spin the tires.
Is this thing recording?
Yeah, I figured I'd do a car wash video for YouTube.
Oh, nice.
I got some fans on there, you know. I have the volcano
Do
thing.
you have a YouTube channel?
I just started one. I play guitar too.
Do you make a lot of money on it?
No, not yet. I haven't really. I'm not in it for the monetary value. More or less to get like a fan base, you know.
Yeah. How many subscribers you got?
So far, like 69. I just
How many on it?
69, I think.
69?
Yeah.
That's a good number.
Oh yeah, it is. It's
Well,
good.
should we
It's
get
good to
the
feel.
volcano?
Yes, please.
Oh,
Hey,
you
keep
do,
the
you
change
do. All right,
going.
thank you. Have a good day.
Hey, look at this. I actually got a free one, right? But I like the volcano, so yeah.
You get 13 off the volcano next time if you want.
All right. How do I know? Do I put a note on it or?
Not a new one.
All right. Cool, man. Thank you. All right. Here we go. Best car wash around the North Shore right here. Yeah, they do good here. It's a good song by Minnesota. Never trust a junkie.
I'm going to be on YouTube?
I think so, yeah. Hey, you like the band? You like this band? Oh, they rock there, yeah. Me too. Slipping away. Here we go. You gotta love it. putting up some videos of riffs. Me doing some riffing on the guitar. Flip, flip. Oh yeah. I feel like I'm going through the walls of hell. Oh yeah. I'm cleaning off. I'm cleaning off all the sludge and dirt from Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, Virginia, Washington, D.C., Maryland, New Jersey, New York, Connecticut, and Massachusetts. Gotta get all that scum off my truck. Especially that scum from New York City. What a joke. I'm telling you, going through New Jersey smells like a sewer dump. Oh yeah, I got that clear coat getting on here. She gonna look nice again. Oh hell yeah, I love it. Best car wash around. Tire shine, yeah baby. You know it. Gotta have it. I always get the ultimate car wash. Try to get my money's worth, you know? And we're coming out. Oh my God. I feel like I'm coming out the birth canal. Oh, gee. Okay, here we go. And we are almost done. I'll show you what she looks like in a second. Oh, should have done it before and after, but you get the point. Bottom's blasted here. I love it. Read that sign. It says, get your bottom blasted here. Yeah, I got my bottom blasted when I took a trip to Florida. What a joke. Whoa, slippery. Holy shit. Hey, everybody's at the fucking door. I gotta go over here. Alright, here we are. Let's check it out. Alright guys, come on outside here with me. Let's see how good of a job this car wash does. Watch, I'm telling you, it's the best one around. Look at this. She's shining again. Oh yeah. She sounds good too. Still sounds good. There, she rev it up, man. Let's get them pipes going. Hey. Yeah, she looks clean. A lot better, much better. Got all that scum off from 10 states, or whatever it is. Looking good again. Well, that's my car wash video, folks. I hope you liked it. Yeah, if you're ever in the North Shore, come to Maddie's, man. They're the best.